Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We started a project completing Microsoft 365 onboarding project. We created a user, Grayson Black, in Microsoft Entra ID in our previous episode. Before assigning licenses, before giving permissions to Grayson, it is important to organize users correctly. In this episode, we are going to be creating a Microsoft 365 group and a security group that we are going to use throughout the rest of onboarding project. As for now, we have already created our employee. The next step is preparing the groups that will help us to manage collaboration, permissions, and licenses. But before we start creating our groups, we are just going to talk briefly. Why do we use groups? And also give a quick comparisons between the Microsoft 365 groups and security groups. Let's understand why organizations use them. Imagine a company that has got hundreds or even thousands of employees. If every user had to be configured individually, administration will become time consuming and also it becomes difficult to manage. So instead, we place users in groups based on their department, based on their roles. Once the user is a member of the right group or the appropriate group, we can then manage licenses. We can manage access much more efficiently. So just a quick comparison between Microsoft 365 groups and security groups. A Microsoft 365 group is mainly designed for collaboration. It provides shared resources such as MS Teams, Outlook group mailbox, shared calendar, SharePoint site. Members collaborate using shared Microsoft 365 services. Whereas the security group is primarily used for controlling access. It helps with administration to assign permissions, policies, applications, and also giving licenses to multiple users at once. Security groups are commonly used for applications like Intune and also managing conditional accesses, enterprise applications, and many other Microsoft services. So in a nutshell, 365 groups, they are mainly for collaboration, whereas security groups are mainly for access and permission. Now, let's jump in and create our first group. We are going to be creating a Microsoft 365 group first. I am in Entra Admin Center. So what we are going to do, let's navigate down. If this blade is closed, let's expand it. Go to groups, click all groups, new group, group type. This is where we are going to choose the type of our group. We are going to be creating a 365 group. The name of the group is going to be Finance Microsoft 365 group. So with the Microsoft 365 group, it's a collaboration group. So it gives us this email. It's a group email. Everyone that is in this group is going to have access to this group. The description, this is a finance, this is an MS365 group for finance department. We are going to skip the end rows here. Membership, we are going to leave it as assigned. Let's assign the owner. I'm just going to give myself access to the group as the owner. I'm going to add our users. So we've got Emma Richardson, who is the finance manager. And we also have our new employee, Grayson Black. Let's add him same time and create the group. Let's confirm that our group has been created by clicking refresh. There is the group Microsoft Finance, Microsoft 365 group. Let's click on it and we can see our members of the group, Emma Richardson and Grayson Black. Now let's create the second group. Click groups, all groups, new group. Here we are going to be selecting security. The name of the group is going to be finance security group. Description, security group for the finance department. Microsoft and roles can be assigned to this group. We're just going to leave it like that. Leave membership type as assigned. Owners, I'll give myself access as the owner. Members, we are going to, so if you can see the difference with the MS365 group, we only had access to add users in the group. With the security group, you can add users, you can add groups inside the group, you can add devices inside the group, you can also add enterprise application inside a security group. But we are going to be adding users, Emma Richardson, the manager, and Grayson Black. Select, then let's create our group. Let's refresh to confirm our group is created. So there is the finance security group. Let's click on it. We've got Emma Richardson and Grayson Black. So at this point, we have successfully created our two groups. The Microsoft 365 group and the finance security group. In the next episode, we are going to assign the licenses to the appropriate group. This demonstrates a common best practice that is used in many organizations where licenses are assigned to groups rather than directly to individuals. Once licenses have been assigned to the group, Grayson will automatically have licenses because you inherit the license from the group. This approach makes Microsoft 365 administration much easier to manage, especially in larger environments. So today we have created the foundation for managing our employee more efficiently. In episode 4, we are going to assign the Microsoft 365 Business Premium and Entra ID P2 license to the group. Then we will see how our employee will automatically receive those licenses simply because he is part of the group. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel for more Microsoft 365 Entra, Intune, Azure, and cloud administration tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in episode 4.